I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to check your transaction history on LBank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Navigate to the LBank website or app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account for verification. Step 2. Access the wallet section. Once logged in, find the wallet section on the main dashboard. This is where you can manage your funds and view transaction details. Step 3. Select transaction history. In the wallet section, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Transaction Records. Click on it to view all your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You can filter your transaction history by date type or status to find specific transactions more easily. Use the drop-down menus or search bar provided. Step 5. Review and export. After filtering, review your transactions. If you need a copy, look for an export button to download your history as a CSV file. This is handy for record keeping. If you follow these steps, you should be able to easily access and manage your transaction history on LBank. Happy trading!